Hello everyone, make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and choose a toothed hair clutcher and twist the entire tail onto one of its tooth, making as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun, then close the hair clutcher, securing it. Make a ponytail and create a lump out of the last loop of the rubber band. Then after that, have a rubber attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band. Then move the entire tail to the top, covering the lump, and have a very beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band and have it secure in the opposite direction. Then extend the bun for volume. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into three parts and have it braided until the midway and secure with the rubber band. Grab the back section of the hair, split them into two parts and have it tie over the braid with the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then tighten it a little bit. Then with the tails we have, combine everything and make it into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Then secure it in with the rubber band, roll the braid to the top and have it in place by extending the hair, covering it fully. Then drop in a little hairpin securing that. Then also drop in a favorite hair clutcher right over the braid, decorating even more further. Do have a lovely collection of hair clutchers. Make a lovely ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and loose the rubber band a little bit down and have a tip attached to the last loop of the rubber band and create a gap and drop the entire lump into it and have it covered by closing the hair. Then secure it with a little hairband on top of that and choose a lovely fluffy hairband and decorate even more further. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and insert a very long hair loop behind your ponytail on the right side and have your hair go from right to left and have it come down and tighten it a little bit, then comb your hair and move it to the right and have a rubber band attached to the middle part and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and bend it down, then push it even more downward by inserting a very beautiful hairpin through the rubber band, securing its place, then extend the bun for volume. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have a very beautiful hair clutcher right over the rubber band. Choose different colors depending on your wardrobe. It's a very simple design, you know. Or you can make a ponytail out of the remaining section of the hair, have a rubber band attach the middle part, stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and stretch the middle one and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher. Hold your ponytail 180 degrees to the right on top and loosen the rubber band a little bit and move it to the top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band and secure it on the right side. Have a rubber band attached to the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band, push it down, have it even more downwards by having a little hairpin through the rubber band. Choose a toothed hair clutcher and hold the entire hair and twist it on one of its tooth, making as a bun, and hide the tip right underneath the bun and close the hair clutcher, securing the bun in place. Have a ponytail and have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached on top of the rubber band. Have a rubber band attached to the middle part of the tail, stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band, stretch the middle part, move the entire tail to the top, and reattach the hair clutcher on that point. Hold your bunch on top and have a very beautiful hair clutcher right on top of the rubber band at the bottom. Then have a rubber band attached to the top middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and bend it down. Push it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin through the rubber band. Make a ponytail and insert a loop on the right side and have your entire ponytail go from right to left and tighten it a little bit. Push the entire ponytail to the left side. Then have it combed a little bit and move on to the right. Have a rubber band attach the middle part and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and bend the lump and have a very beautiful hair screw attached to the rubber band and securing it in place. Do have multiple colors of it. You know, you could have it and you could feel like a robot having screws onto your head. Have a ponytail and choose a very beautiful bun clutcher and extend it and twist the ponytail and have it swirl in a clockwise direction and make it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created and have the whole bun secured by having the bun clutcher right underneath the bun. Leave strips of hair at either sides and have a ponytail and have a very beautiful hair clutcher on top of the rubber band. Have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail, stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band, stretch the middle part and move the entire tail to the top and reattach the hair clutcher. Make a ponytail and twist the entire tail and make it swirl in a clockwise direction, making as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created and have it secure by having a beautiful hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.